Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, you can share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now me notification bell no. Send me the video bia betwa on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we say Tuo Zaafi stew. Yes, still when I'm tasty and it tastes really nice. Yes, that's it. A web blended with bell pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, anise. O blend you and we share go meeting, medical annual koto drenesa and say yeding. What seasoning with beef seasoning or pepper seasoning, salt to taste. Uriana meat now no air no whole stock no the bearding abegum. No wakataso akosijaso amanabing. Wo wa no abiesu no wanum se de nyina besti maye. What the fish so ya de aka ho na waje su kakra asa na watwe. Emre sisu no wa blend wo tomatoes, pepper, onion, spring onion, garlic, ginger, anise. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients ni na wo. We are now the sinchen. Na meat no so abin a wadum na the sinchen. Na ya start frying. All the palm oil begu saucepan isijasum. Edra all the chop onion e de agum. Watch mo kakra ansa na atoa so. Uchi mu we na tomato mixture na odi sinchen odi agum. One mixing that together. Now they are so customer the ebebing. But oh wa no wanum said I say the enche. I had the beef stock now this cinchen. Now we share the egum. One mixing that together. Now I cause someone else customer the ebebing. Then be I say unum said I say the enche. Aka can I ready now the season keep. And I saw to stay say the egum. What the meat na no cinchen we share the egum. One mixing that together. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Oh, pepper now they are garnishing. Aha no aye ready na wa twe na wa serve. Unya Tuo Zaafi a anase ayoyo super na de aka won wa serve ni together. Me yes still na me taste here no. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our Tuo Zaafi stew recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.